Hey guys, back again with another video. In this video today I'll be showing you guys how to add your social media icons in either a photo or a video based on a few programs that I use to edit my videos. So you want to start off with Google searching a transparent PNG file. Alright, from there, once you're satisfied with whatever social media icons you're trying to add into your video or photo, you want to save them to your camera roll. So that's what I'm doing here. And you can also search according to whatever color you want, whatever size you want. So I'm using Instagram and TikTok, for example, for my social media icons for this purpose of the video. Alright, once you're satisfied with your social media icon saved, you're going to want to hit the eraser app if you have it downloaded. So you want to use the eraser app for this portion of the video. I'm selecting the photos that I saved, my PNG files. I'm adjusting according to my liking. So if you want to select certain areas that you don't want visible, I use target areas so it makes it a lot faster. So that's what I'm doing here. Once you're satisfied, you want to save as a PNG transparent file. You want to hit save to go to your camera roll. And so here I'm doing the same thing with the Instagram logo. And this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just following the same steps I did with the TikTok logo. Alright, once that is saved and you're satisfied with it, you want to hit the PisArt app. And this is for only if you're going to do the process of adding your social media icons onto a photo. So I just picked a random photo out of my camera roll, and I didn't like how it was sized. So if you want to have your photo based on a social media platform like Instagram, YouTube, for example, on the bottom they give you a particular size that you could just automatically select. So I'm showing you guys an example here. So we're going to use that sizing. Then from there you want to go to the add photo. And here I'm selecting the PNG files that I had already previously saved and edited. Now here I'm adjusting the size. You can do large, small, whatever you're trying to do for your particular photo. And now I'm adding the TikTok logo. So from there you want to type in your Instagram or social media platform name. So I'm typing my name, which is Winter Alexandria Miller. And by the way, you guys give me a follow on Instagram while you're at it. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, so once you're satisfied with your words, if you want to adjust the style and the font and all that stuff, it gives you an option of doing so. They also have a part where you can adjust the outline, if you want a shadow, etc., etc. So here I'm trying to decide where I would like to position the font. Alright. So they give you textures, different gradients, colors, like I said. If you guys want to play around with the app on your own time, Feel free to. It's a really cool app. I use it for a lot of editing. Alright, once you're satisfied with your photo, you want to hit save. And once it's saved, this is what the example looks like. So that's how you save your social media icons to a photo using PisArt, Eraser, and Phonto. Now on to the next program. We're going to go back into Phonto. And for this step, I'm just showing you guys literally the same process we did before, where you're selecting the PNG file you want it. You're adding it to the plain image. You're adjusting the size. You're going to add the text, which would be your social media name. Once you put in the position you want it, blah, 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 you're satisfied. We're just going to hit save. I'm literally just repetition right now. I'm showing you guys the same process just so it's refreshing your memory. Because in this, we're going to be actually adding the same PNG files onto a video now. We're not doing it on a photo. So that's why I'm showing this step again, just to refresh your memory. So once you save that file from Phonto app, you want to go back to the Eraser app, and you're going to erase the background of your social media icon names and all that stuff. So let's fast forward through here. And right here, I'm just showing you guys of how to use the Eraser app. So you can either select actually erasing it by hand, or if you have solid colors like I like to do, I hit target area and I select the color that I do not want visible on whatever item I'm trying to save. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to save it as a PNG transparent file. Once it's saved to your camera roll, now we're going to go to Cute Cut, which is, I really don't use this app too much, but for the purpose of this video, I downloaded it just to show you guys how to add your social media icons to a video. So you select your Cute Cut app. From there, you're going to want to choose a video of your liking. So for this, I just selected a Procreate drawing that I did. It was the Grinch. So you're going to want to go to your photos, select the PNG file that you had already saved previously, and you're just going to want to adjust it according to your liking. And this is what the video should look like. Once you're satisfied with that, you're going to want to hit save, export to album, select whatever quality you would like to use for your video. Once that's saved, this would be the finished product. So this is what I'm showing you guys now. And so that's how you save your social media icons onto a video using Cute Cut and the other apps I showed you. Alright, so now on to Lumafusion. This is the app that I use majority of the time to edit my vlogs or whatever videos I'm working on. It's a really cool app. If you don't have it, I recommend it. So I'm literally doing the same process, only within Lumafusion. You're going to want to go to your icon where your albums are, your photo albums. You're going to want to select the photo of the PNG file you had already edited and saved previously. And for this, I'm just adjusting the icons according to my liking and the position I would like it in. So once that's done, so just playing it back and forth. And this file that I'm working on was already a vlog that I had already edited. I just literally use it because it was open on the program. So This is just for the purpose of the video. It's very basic. If you already use Lumafusion, you should know how to do this, but if you don't know how to particularly add an icon, this video is for you. Alright guys, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions about, like I said, programs I use, steps that I followed, if you have want more in detail about what I did, make sure you leave a comment below or contact me on my Instagram. All the information would be in the description below. I hope this helped you guys. Please give it a thumbs up on your way out and have a blessed one. Thanks again for watching.